Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of umbrella insurance, a type of coverage that often sparks curiosity and sometimes confusion. You might have heard the term before, but what does it actually mean? In this video, we'll break down the basics, explain how umbrella insurance works, and help you decide if it's something you should consider. We'll also look at real-life scenarios where umbrella insurance can be a financial lifesaver. So, whether you're a homeowner, a renter, or just someone interested in protecting your assets, stay tuned as we unravel the essentials of umbrella insurance. Umbrella insurance is a type of personal liability insurance designed to provide extra protection beyond the limits of your standard policies, like auto or homeowners insurance. Think of it as a safety net that kicks in when your other insurance policies reach their limit. For example, if you're involved in a major accident and the damages exceed your auto insurance coverage, umbrella insurance can cover the remaining costs. It's not a standalone policy, but rather an additional layer of security for your finances and assets. So, how does umbrella insurance actually work in practice? Imagine you're found liable for an accident, and the damages total $700,000. If your auto insurance only covers up to $300,000, you'd be responsible for the remaining $400,000. This is where umbrella insurance steps in. It covers that extra amount, protecting your savings, home, and future earnings from being wiped out. Umbrella policies usually start at $1 million in coverage, offering peace of mind for those unexpected, high-cost situations. The term umbrella is used because this insurance acts like an umbrella, offering broad protection over your existing policies. Just as an umbrella shields you from rain, umbrella insurance shields your finances from large, unexpected liability claims. It doesn't replace your auto or homeowners insurance, but extends their coverage, ensuring you're not left exposed when the worst happens. This metaphor helps people visualize how umbrella insurance works as an overarching layer of security. Umbrella insurance covers a wide range of situations. It typically includes bodily injury liability, property damage liability, and even some lawsuits related to slander, libel, or false arrest. For example, if someone is injured on your property and sues you for medical bills, umbrella insurance can help cover those costs. It can also protect you if you're sued for defamation or if your pet causes harm to someone else. The coverage is broad, making it a valuable addition for many people. While umbrella insurance offers broad protection, it doesn't cover everything. It won't pay for your own injuries or property damage, business-related liabilities, or intentional acts. For instance, if you damage your own car or property, umbrella insurance won't help. It also doesn't cover criminal activity or contractual liabilities. Understanding these exclusions is important, so you know exactly when your umbrella policy will and won't step in. Now, who actually needs umbrella insurance? While it's not required for everyone, it's highly recommended for people with significant assets, high earning potential, or increased risk of lawsuits. If you own a home, have savings, or are a landlord, umbrella insurance can protect your wealth. Even if you don't consider yourself wealthy, if you're at risk of being sued, like having a teenage driver in the family or hosting frequent gatherings, umbrella insurance is worth considering. If you own property, umbrella insurance is especially important. Homeowners and landlords face unique risks, such as guests getting injured on their property or tenants causing damage. Lawsuits in these situations can quickly exceed the limits of standard homeowners or landlord insurance. Umbrella insurance provides an extra layer of protection, ensuring that your home and other assets aren't jeopardized by a costly legal claim. Families, especially those with teenage drivers, can benefit from umbrella insurance. Teen drivers are statistically more likely to be involved in accidents, and the resulting liability can be substantial. If your child causes a serious accident, your auto insurance may not be enough to cover all damages. Umbrella insurance steps in to cover the excess, protecting your family's financial future from unexpected lawsuits or claims. Pet owners might not realize the risks they face. If your dog bites someone or causes an accident, you could be held liable for medical bills and damages. Standard homeowners insurance may cover some of these costs, but if the expenses exceed your policy limits, umbrella insurance can help. This extra coverage ensures that a single incident involving your pet doesn't lead to financial hardship. If you often host parties or gatherings at your home, your risk of liability increases. Accidents can happen, someone could slip and fall, or property could be damaged. If you're found responsible, the costs can quickly add up. Umbrella insurance provides additional coverage beyond your homeowner's policy, ensuring that one unfortunate event doesn't put your assets at risk. People with significant assets, such as investments, multiple properties, or high incomes, are more likely to be targeted in lawsuits. If you have a lot to lose, umbrella insurance is a smart way to protect your wealth. It ensures that even if you face a large legal claim, your assets and lifestyle remain secure. This peace of mind is invaluable for those with substantial financial resources. If you're a public figure or professional, you may face higher risks of lawsuits, especially for defamation, slander, or libel. Umbrella insurance can cover legal costs and damages that exceed your standard policy limits. This is particularly important for those whose reputations and careers could be affected by legal claims. Having umbrella insurance means you're prepared for the unexpected. While umbrella insurance is primarily for personal liability, some business owners may benefit from a commercial umbrella policy. This type of coverage extends liability protection for business-related incidents, such as customer injuries or property damage. If you own a small business, talk to your insurance agent about whether a commercial umbrella policy is right for you. One of the most appealing aspects of umbrella insurance is its affordability. For about $150 to $300 per year, you can typically get $1 million in coverage. The cost may vary depending on your risk factors, location, and the amount of coverage you choose. Compared to the protection it offers, umbrella insurance is a cost-effective way to safeguard your assets. Getting umbrella insurance is straightforward. Most major insurance companies offer it as an add-on to your existing auto or homeowners policy. You'll need to meet certain minimum coverage requirements on your underlying policies before you can add umbrella coverage. Your insurance agent can help you determine the right amount of coverage and guide you through the application process. Before you can purchase umbrella insurance, insurers typically require you to have a certain amount of liability coverage on your auto and homeowners policies. For example, you might need $250,000 in auto liability and $300,000 in homeowners liability. These requirements ensure that your primary policies cover most claims, with umbrella insurance stepping in only for larger, less common incidents. If you're involved in an incident and a claim exceeds your standard policy limits, your umbrella insurance kicks in. First, your auto or homeowner's insurance pays up to its limit. Then, your umbrella policy covers the remaining costs up to its own limit. This process helps ensure that you're not left paying out of pocket for large, unexpected expenses. Let's look at a real-life example. Imagine you're at fault in a car accident that causes serious injuries to another driver. The total damages are $600,000, but your auto insurance only covers $300,000. Without umbrella insurance, you'd be responsible for the remaining $300,000. With umbrella insurance, your policy would cover the excess, protecting your savings and assets from being depleted. Suppose a guest slips and falls at your home, resulting in a lawsuit for $800,000. Your homeowner's insurance covers up to $300,000, leaving you with a $500,000 gap. Umbrella insurance would cover the difference, ensuring you don't have to sell assets or dip into savings to pay the claim. This extra layer of protection can make all the difference in a crisis. Umbrella insurance isn't just for physical accidents. If you're sued for defamation, say, for something you posted online and the damages exceed your homeowner's policy, umbrella insurance can cover the excess. Legal fees and settlements in these cases can be substantial, making umbrella insurance a valuable safety net for anyone active on social media or in the public eye. Umbrella insurance and excess liability insurance are often confused, but they're not the same. Excess liability insurance only increases the limits of your existing policies, while umbrella insurance can cover additional types of claims, like slander or libel, that your base policies might not. Umbrella insurance is broader, making it a more comprehensive choice for many people. Deciding how much umbrella insurance you need depends on your assets, income, and risk factors. A common rule of thumb is to have enough coverage to protect your net worth and future earnings. If you own a home, have investments, or are at higher risk of lawsuits, consider a higher coverage amount. Your insurance agent can help you assess your needs and recommend the right policy. When choosing an umbrella insurance policy, compare coverage options, premiums, and exclusions from different insurers. Look for a reputable company with strong customer service and clear policy terms. Make sure you understand what's covered and what isn't, and don't hesitate to ask questions before making a decision. Many people think umbrella insurance is only for the wealthy, but that's not true. Anyone with assets to protect or at risk of being sued can benefit from this coverage. Another misconception is that umbrella insurance is expensive, when in reality, it's quite affordable for the amount of protection it provides. Umbrella insurance isn't necessary for everyone. If you have few assets, low risk of lawsuits, or already have high liability limits on your existing policies, you might not need extra coverage. It's important to assess your personal situation and consult with an insurance professional to make the right choice for you. It's a good idea to review your insurance coverage regularly, especially after major life changes like buying a home, getting married, or having children. Make sure your liability limits are adequate and consider whether umbrella insurance makes sense for your new circumstances. Regular reviews help ensure you're always properly protected. Applying for umbrella insurance is usually straightforward. Your insurer will review your existing policies, assess your risk factors, and confirm that you meet minimum coverage requirements. You'll answer questions about your assets, lifestyle, and any previous claims. Once approved, your umbrella policy will be added to your insurance portfolio. When discussing umbrella insurance with your agent, ask about coverage limits, exclusions, and the claims process. Make sure you understand how your umbrella policy interacts with your existing coverage. Don't hesitate to ask for examples or clarification. Your agent is there to help you make informed decisions. Every umbrella insurance policy has exclusions, situations it won't cover. Common exclusions include intentional harm, business-related claims, and certain high-risk activities. Review your policy carefully so you're not caught off guard if a claim is denied. Knowing what's excluded helps you plan for other types of coverage if needed. Renters can also benefit from umbrella insurance. If you rent your home but have significant savings or assets, umbrella insurance can protect you from liability claims that exceed your renter's insurance limits. This is especially important if you entertain guests or have pets, as accidents can happen anywhere. If you travel frequently, umbrella insurance can offer peace of mind. Liability incidents can happen anywhere, and your umbrella policy may provide worldwide coverage. This means you're protected even if an accident or lawsuit occurs while you're abroad, making it a smart choice for globetrotters. Lawsuits can be financially devastating even if you win. Legal fees, settlements, and judgments can quickly exceed your standard policy limits. Umbrella insurance ensures you're not left paying these costs out of pocket, providing a crucial safety net in today's litigious society. If you volunteer or serve on a nonprofit board, you may be exposed to liability risks. Umbrella insurance can extend your personal liability protection to cover incidents related to volunteer activities, ensuring your good deeds don't put your finances at risk. Landlords face unique liability risks, from tenant injuries to property damage. Umbrella insurance provides an extra layer of protection, covering claims that exceed your landlord insurance limits. This is especially important for those with multiple rental properties or high-value assets. If you own a boat, umbrella insurance can protect you from liability claims related to boating accidents. Standard boat insurance may not cover all scenarios, especially if injuries or damages are severe. Umbrella insurance fills these gaps, ensuring you're covered on the water as well as on land. Car enthusiasts who own multiple vehicles or participate in car shows may face higher liability risks. Umbrella insurance provides extra coverage for accidents or incidents that exceed standard auto policy limits, ensuring your passion doesn't put your finances in jeopardy. Dog owners face unique liability risks, especially with breeds considered high risk. If your dog injures someone, you could be sued for medical costs and damages. Umbrella insurance provides additional protection beyond your homeowner's policy, ensuring one incident doesn't threaten your financial stability. Owning a pool increases your liability risk, as accidents can happen even with safety measures in place. Umbrella insurance covers claims that exceed your homeowner's policy, protecting you from large lawsuits related to pool injuries or accidents. Active on social media, you could be at risk for defamation or slander lawsuits. Umbrella insurance can cover legal costs and damages that exceed your homeowner's policy, offering peace of mind for anyone who posts, comments, or shares online. If you host events, such as weddings or fundraisers, umbrella insurance can protect you from liability claims if someone is injured or property is damaged. This extra coverage ensures your special occasions don't result in financial loss. Athletes, especially those participating in contact sports, face higher risks of causing accidental injuries. Umbrella insurance provides additional liability coverage, protecting your assets if you're sued for injuries caused during sports activities. If you live or work abroad, umbrella insurance can provide liability protection that extends beyond your home country. This is especially important for expatriates or frequent travelers who want consistent coverage no matter where they are. Hobbyists who engage in activities that could cause accidental injury or property damage like drone flying or woodworking may benefit from umbrella insurance. It covers claims that exceed your standard policy limits, ensuring your hobbies don't put your finances at risk. To wrap up, umbrella insurance is a powerful tool for protecting your assets and financial future. It offers broad liability coverage at an affordable price, filling gaps left by your standard policies. Whether you're a homeowner, parent, pet owner, or just someone with assets to protect, umbrella insurance can provide peace of mind in an unpredictable world. Assess your risks, talk to your insurance agent, and consider whether umbrella insurance is right for you.